Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LooksRare for trading NFTs efficiently step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the LooksRare website. Connect your cryptocurrency wallet. Choose between MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or other supported wallets. Follow the prompts to grant necessary permissions. Once connected, explore the marketplace interface. Use the search bar to find specific NFTs. Filter the listings by categories such as collections, price, or rarity. Select an NFT that interests you for a detailed view. Check the NFT's details, including ownership history and price trends. Click on the Buy Now button if you decide to make a purchase. If you prefer to bid, look for the Place Bid option. Enter your bid amount and set the duration of the bid. Confirm your bid and allow the wallet transaction to process. Consider setting up price alerts for NFTs of interest. Navigate to your profile to track your owned NFTs. Regularly check your dashboard for new listings and pending transactions. Stay updated on new features by following LooksRare's announcements. Review transaction fees associated with buying and selling NFTs. Make sure to understand the platform's tokenomics and rewards system. Participate in community discussions to enhance your trading strategies. Ready your wallet for efficient trading as you explore the NFT ecosystem. Utilize analytics tools available on the platform to make informed decisions. Keep your wallet secure by using two-factor authentication where possible. Stay engaged with the market trends to maximize your trading potential. Enjoy your NFT trading experience on LooksRare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.